Hi everyone. So welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. So in today's video we are going to see how to create dark mode in your web page and or in your website. So in this tutorial I have just created a simple page currently. I have one H1 here and one button on which click we will be change the mode of the page to from light to dark. So firstly, let me show you the page here. This is the page currently look like. So I have just added some CSS here, like H1 text line center, and I added display block to button, and margin is auto. So we will able to see the button in the middle. So let's create the functionality of the dark mode. So firstly, I will create a function which can change the mode. So I will create change mode function here, and I will create here a script tag in the body. So here I will define this function change mode, and here I will add the JavaScript will be which will be change the mode of the page. So firstly let's create the a class which we will use to change the mode from light to dark. So to add the background as black, I will add the background color as black here, and I will add the color is white, because if we are having the background color is black and the text is still black, then we will not able to see the text there. So I will add the color here white. So here I will add a transition of background color for 0.3 seconds, and I will also add a transition for color which is also a 0.3 second. So this will show us some transition while changing the mode, and I will also add a basic code for the body also here. I will add here background color is white and text, and color is black, and also I will add here the transition. So I will just copy paste here same thing. So let me just add this class firstly to see what is we will able to see here using the inspect. So if I will add the class here in the body, mm, I don't know why it is not working with the click. Let me just do like here. I will add a class and add dark mode here. So here you can see this is the dark mode which will be show when we are clicking on this button. So let's add the functionality for this button. So I will be add here the document dot body. So we will use the documents body, and here we will use class list on which we will change the class by toggling it, like it will add and remove the class. So I will add here the dark mode. So let's see what is we will able to see here. So I will click here. So you can see there is a also transition which we have added there. You can see that when we click on the button, dark mode is enabled and disabled. So let's also change some text here. Like I have also added this text in the span, so we will able to change the text of this also. So I will change the text here by using the query selector. So I will just select the span here, and firstly I will get the text here, text content of the span. So I will add this in a variable. Let text content. So now this will show us the, firstly let's see it by using the console log to verify like we are getting the text or not. So just open the inspector, and in the console tab, if I'm clicking on this button, you can see we will able to see the enable here. So we will add one condition here. So I will use here the ternary operator to change the text here. So here if I'm just getting this value, this selector, sorry. So here in the text value, if the text content is equal to enable, then we will change the text to disable, and otherwise we will give this text of enable in the span. So now if I'm clicking here, you can see this is also change the text of the button. Like you can see here, dark mode enabled, dark mode disabled, I think so. Disabled is a good here. And also we can use here the enabled. Also change here the name. Yes. Now if I am clicking on this one, so you can see dark mode is disabled and dark mode is enabled. So you can also add further CSS here to modify this code. This is just a basic example. You can just change the background color also here. Like I have just selected this color, and you can also use some another hexacode colors also here. So like here I am just adding here this color here also. So there is little bit difference in the default black from the default black color. So yeah, that is it for the today's video. So I hope you have understand how to add dark mode in your website. So if you find this video useful, please like this video and please share this to your friends and the people who want to see such kind of tutorials. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.